Hi guys, welcome to the session. My name is Prakash, math tutor. Let's solve the probability question which I have written on the whiteboard. Given a group consists of 12 persons, out of the 12 persons, 3 are extremely patient and other 6 are extremely honest, and the rest of the people's or persons are extremely kind. A person from the group is selected at randomly, assuming that each person is equally likely to be selected. So here we need to find the probability of selecting a person who is extremely kind or honest. So the total is 12 persons. So where 3 are extremely patient, so write down that as well. So 3 persons are extremely patient, and 6 persons are extremely honest, and the rest are extremely kind. The rest means the total we have 12, and 3 are extremely patient and 6 are extremely honest. So rest means 12 minus 3 minus 6, which is 3. So the remaining people, the rest are 3. So those 3 are extremely kind. So now we need to find the probability of the persons who are extremely honest or kind. So the general rule is the probability is equals to the number of favorable outcomes divided by the total outcome. So here the total outcomes is fixed, which is 12, because the number of persons here is 12, and we need to find the favorable outcomes, number of favorable outcomes. So the probability of selecting a person who is extremely kind or honest, so which means 3 are kind, 3 persons, and 6 are honest. So these are all the favorable outcomes. So divided by 12, so which is nothing but 9 by 12. So both 9 and 12 can be divided by 3, so we'll get 3 by 4. So the probability of selecting a person who is extremely kind or honest is 3 by 4. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.